Hello students. Today we're going to add fractions. Adding fractions is a skill that you learned in 5th grade, so this is really just a review for us. So when you add fractions, you have to find a common denominator. And so when I'm adding 34 2/3 plus 16 5/6, I'm going to take my numbers and I'm going to line them up like I would be if I was adding two whole numbers. And so I look, and I'm going to start with my fraction first, and I'm going to look for that common denominator. I see my denominators are 3 and 6, and I know that a common denominator would be 6. So I take my fraction and I build an EFT to get to 6. So 2/3 is equal to 4/6. So now all I have to do is take 4/6 plus 5/6. And when you add those, all you do is you add the numerator, so 5 plus 4 is 9, and your denominator is going to stay the same. And so that is 9/6. And then you go over to your whole numbers. 4 plus 6 is 10. So you write your 0, you carry your 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 1 is 5. And so you see you have 50 and 9/6. But you notice that the 9/6 is an improper fraction. So we cannot leave it improper. We need to change that to a mixed number. So to change improper to mixed, I will divide. And to know which one goes in the house, I know I put the top dog or the numerator in the house. So I'm going to go over here to the side and I'm going to take 9 and divide it by 6. And so I know that 6 goes into 9 one time. Multiply 1 times 6 is 6. And when you subtract, you have 3 leftovers. You have 1 and 3/6. Or I know that 3 is half of 6, so that's really 1 and 1/2. So then I know that 9/6 is 1 1/2. So really now all I'm doing is taking 50 plus 1 1/2. 50 plus 1 1/2 is 51 1/2. That is how you add fractions. Have a great night.